Here is how to delete a single photo from a multiple photo Instagram post. For that, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your account. Now go ahead and open your Instagram profile by tapping on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and find the photos with the multiple photo that you want to edit and delete. Now once you're there, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Now you'll get the option of edit, which is between create reel from this post and adjust view. Go ahead and tap on that. And here swipe through the photos until you find the one you want to delete and tap on the trash icon that is in the bottom left corner of the photo. Confirm that you want to delete the photo by tapping on it, and you can restore the deleted photo within 30 days. Tap on done to save the changes and the photo will be removed from the post. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.